Video is for the content creators who are located in Kigali. If you are in Kigali and you are a content creator, you know that IShowSpeed is planning to come here in Rwanda. And I want you to think about how you can get opportunity to meet him so that you can have at least a conversation of 1 minute. 1 minute. Think about how 1 minute can change your whole world. Think about how many people can recognize you. Think about how you can profit from this opportunity of that celebrity coming here in our country. I love you so much, and I made this video to help you think clearly how you can benefit from the opportunity of someone who has more than 45 million subscribers on YouTube channel, 45 millions on TikTok, 45 millions on Instagram. And he will come and he cross there in Kigali, in the streets. You are able to meet him with your even telephone. Think about how you can talk to him. That's a big opportunity. It's huge, man. It's a blessing. It's a blessing, and I want you to think more about it. Do you know IShowSpeed? Tell us where you are from. If you are not from Kigali, tell us there in the comment sections. But I wish all of you all the best. Yoo-hoo!